I'm getting protection, spiritual practices, Divine Collective. That's how we're starting out. Spiritual practices, protection. Someone wants to hurt you, or they wanted to hurt you for leaving them. This is their reason for attacking you, Divine Collective. You broke free of this person. You created your own reality. That you put yourself in a better position, Spirit is telling me. You are in a better position because of that decision. Spirit is saying that this person from your past, I'm picking up on dark forces surrounding this person, Divine Collective. Dark forces, okay? Someone's nervous here. Psychologically damaged. Whoever this is, they have multiple personalities, okay? Spirit is confirming that I'm picking up on dark forces. And since yesterday, Divine Collective, one of my storylines I picked up on someone being demonically possessed, okay? These karmic energies, they're becoming demonically possessed. And that's what I'm picking up on in this reading here. Someone with multiple personalities, Divine Collective, psychologically damaged here. I'm getting someone that's Hispanic in this reading, Divine Collective. I'm seeing like a light brownish color skin, Hispanic, Latino, Latina, okay? Someone thought that they finally got rid of you. What's this about, Spirit? Spirit says they celebrated too early. They were in their ego. And now they want to make plans to come towards you with some type of love offer. The reason I'm picking up on protection, Divine Collective, I feel that it would be very beneficial for you to do some just light protection work, okay? Divine intervention is here. Spirit says do not entertain toxicity, but I feel like someone is trying to put you in the middle of something that has absolutely nothing to do with you, okay? Yeah, walls of protection. A lot of cards speaking about protection here. Walls around your heart, okay? Exodus, wow, I keep getting 144, Divine Collective. For the past week, that's all I get. I get it backwards and I get it forwards. And then I just got Exodus 14:14. Wow. Refuse to let fear decide for you, okay? These are some very karmic energies that I'm picking up on in this reading, Divine Collective. Spirit says that whoever this is, they love Jezebel energies, okay? Low vibrational karmics that will chase them, Spirit is telling me. But I feel that someone here has met their match, Divine Collective, and I feel like someone is trying to get away from someone that at one point, you know, they were all into. It doesn't feel like that anymore. It feels like this person wants to get as far away from this person as they possibly can and go towards the divine feminine. That's how I feel. But Spirit is telling you not to entertain toxicity and something about putting a wall up around your heart when it comes to this person, okay? They have some very dark forces surrounding them. So they may be playing in some spell work here and then going to come towards you, Divine Collective. Spirit says this is the same person that lied on you with no facts. They built a narrative, structured a performance, mixed truth with deception, so it sounded believable. This is a habitual liar. They lied a lot. What they've done can no longer be concealed. 4:44 on the clock. The situation is being unveiled. Okay? Wants to weaken your defenses. Someone here wants to weaken your defenses. This person was also accusing you of an STD that they have given too many. An STD in which that you don't have, Divine Collective, but they have given this STD to many. They're blaming you, okay? This is what Spirit is telling me. These are, you know, ugly lies, Divine Collective. Being spiritually connected to someone does not mean they are entitled to your forgiveness. Divine Collective, I feel that you're entering a period of growth, elevation, and personal upgrade here. You're stepping into a new path that aligns more with who you truly are. This is a time of becoming, not staying the same, okay? Trust that everything needed to fall into place. There's an overflow here attached to your energy, an overflow of opportunities. There's abundance, favor over your life, Divine Collective. This jealous karmic just keeps coming out in the energy. This karmic is very unhinged, Divine Collective. Someone here has definitely met their match. Like, this is a nightmare. Divine Collective, for this person. This karmic is so insecure and jealous. I can feel the frustration. Allow yourself to feel. Just as I said, I can feel the frustration. Allow yourself to feel the collapse. Someone is clearly walking away in this reading, Divine Collective. Okay, walking away here from karmic. This karmic is wild, y'all. Like, really, all up in the business. 48 hours is of significance here. A new and exciting adventure is about to start in your life, Divine Collective. Every other card, karmic, karmic, karmic. It's like they're just reminding me, I'm still here. I'm still here. They're so irritating, right? Like, Spirit is saying, sit with your truth. Face what hurt you. Okay? Stop running from yourself. That's the initiation, Divine Collective. That's where real transformation begins, is when you can sit with your truth and be authentically who you are. Okay? When you don't feel the need to lie about anything you've been through or sugarcoat anything that you've been through. When you can sit with your truth and face what hurt you, face those demons that are still lingering in your energy. When you can do that, Divine Collective, that's where the real transformation begins. Someone here could be asking you, of all people, to help them cover up a lie. What's this about, Spirit? Spirit said, think about it like this, Divine Collective. If what they were saying about you was true, you wouldn't be elevating the way that you're elevating, would you? Okay? You wouldn't be. Because everything that has been built on lies, deception, is now crumbling, Divine Collective. All of that is crumbling. And everything built on love, light, and just pure intentions, purity, is rising. Pay attention, okay? If what they said about you was true, you wouldn't be elevating the way that you're elevating. You are remembering who you are. I'm getting the High Priestess. After so much physical and emotional abuse, you are remembering who you are, Divine Collective. You're going to feel a lot of tension in the air when you walk into certain rooms, Divine Collective. This is something you're going to get used to, okay? Involved in a scandal, 9:34 on the clock. Confirmation. Someone here got themselves invested into toxic situations, commitments, and now they're involved in some type of scandal. They may want your help or need your help. You are showing up as the Divine Feminine, the Divine Masculine in this storyline, but there's nothing you can do to help this person. Okay? Last card, Spirit.